Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious waffle recipe. First, gather all your ingredients and equipment. In a large bowl, whisk together 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 4 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Make sure your waffle iron is preheating to the proper setting. Next, in a separate bowl, whisk together 2 large eggs, 1 3/4 cups of milk, and 1/2 cup of melted butter or vegetable oil. Pour the wet mixture into the dry ingredients. Stir gently until just combined. A few lumps are perfectly fine. Overmixing can lead to tough waffles. Now it's time to cook. If your waffle iron isn't non-stick, lightly grease it with cooking spray or a brush of oil. Pour approximately 1/2 cup of batter onto the center of the hot iron. Close the lid and cook for about 3 to 5 minutes, or until the steam stops and the waffles are golden brown and crispy. Once cooked, carefully remove your delicious waffle from the iron using a fork or tongs. Serve them immediately with your favorite toppings, such as maple syrup, fresh berries, or whipped cream. These homemade waffles are perfect for breakfast or brunch, offering a delightful start to your day.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.